I drink pine and ginger. And mommy for wine pan a thing and me no play that. Me I drink pine and ginger. And mommy for wine pan a thing and me no play that. Him have the rum and not the sorrow. Him have to drink away him sorrow. Guess him not care about tomorrow. I guess me not care about tomorrow. Me I drink pine and ginger. And mommy for wine pan a thing and me no play.
Hi guys, on my way to the beach. I didn't do anywhere for New Year. Didn't do anything for New Year's yesterday, so I'm going to the beach today, and it's a nice day, nice and hot, ready for the water. They get wet, so when I get there, I'll show you guys the beach. All right, guys. So I just got into the beach. Just paid to come in. It was $200 to come in. It's so hot. Can't wait to get in the nice cool water. I'm about to show you guys the beach. As you can see, nice clean sun. I'm beautiful. So that's a nice clean. It's so hot. Really hot. One of the girls, like two ladies came up to me and was like, oh my gosh, you look so beautiful. I was like, thank you. Yeah, me if I look good. Yeah. Guys, look here. Somebody made a butt in the sand. Like, look how creative it is. Like, she just arched so good. Like, she ready for your backers. Look on her body. No, sir. Look on it. Oh, look. They all put wild in there too. Look on the body in there. Jesus Christ. Body and the butt. I didn't see her there. And look, she have a stick in there. Right there. Ready for your backers. No, sir. Look on it. Look. It would. And then look on it. Jamaican people are like so creative. I swear to God. So creative. Look. Boy body too little. We are back on. She needs something bigger and wider. You know, this looks so good. I swear. But here's the beach. I'm about to go in the water now because it's too hot. There's a lot of people over there. I'm gonna go right here and swim. Alright guys, I'm leaving the beach now. I enjoyed myself in the water. The water was nice and cool and refreshing. So yeah, I'm about to leave it now, and then I'm gonna go look something for go eat because I'm hungry. I'm gonna want fries and them sitting there. I want real food like rice and curry goat or oxtail, something like that. So yeah, we're about to leave. No, the beach is nice. So yeah, I'm about to leave now. Alright guys, so I still didn't get my food yet because I stopped at a car place to go get something for the car. The person is looking at cover for the car. And remember guys, the vlog with the Portland, how the car kept stopping, overheating because it didn't want a caulk because it wasn't keeping the water in there or something like that. I don't know nothing about car, but I guess the car need a new cap for the engine or something. I don't know. So we had a car place right now, and then after this I'm gonna go get my food because we're hungry. Yeah. I keep looking here, but we need to look that stuff. So yeah guys, so far I guess I enjoyed my trip. You know, I went to like 2 parties. We got beach 2 times, no. But I enjoyed this beach more because the time was actually hot and stuff. I enjoyed myself. So yeah. Here at Ocho Rios Parts Centre in the car, and then after go get something to eat, some cooked food. I don't know, some rice and vegetable and oxtail or curry goat. I don't know, I want something good, like something real good. Something will fill my belly. I want orange box drinks. I love box drinks, you see. Especially the orange one. I love the orange box drinks. It tastes so nice and refreshing. And then go eat. Well, go home, go eat, and then go bed. Wash off the salt water, the saltness. And then go relax. And I want to go somewhere tonight. I don't know, because I bring out all these clothes for go places, and I'm not like going anywhere, so I need to find somewhere to go, because I can't strain for bring down so many damn luggage and weight. I'm not gonna wear my clothes then. So yeah, that's the plan right now. So when I get my food and go home, I'll show you guys. Alright people, I just came and got my food, my cooked food with my orange box drinks. I'm about to eat outside on the veranda. I get rice and peas and curry goat with my orange box drinks. You guys ever feel a way like when you video record and people looking at you? Can you open the door? Alright, when I sit down, I'm going to show you guys the food. You see what someone just did? They just threw the towel over me. Is that right? I'm gonna get rice and peas and curry goats. I wonder if they give me enough gravy. And this better be soft and not tough. With some mixed veg. I did want the hot veg, but they ran out and I couldn't wait, so I got that. And then my orange box drinks. Kinda tough, but can't go on. It's tough. Tough orange box drinks. And this person get rice and peas and ackee. See the ackee tastes good.
Yeah, I call this person. Disrespect that thing.
So y'all what? Look guys, I just finished the food. And the curry goat not up at all. It tastes nice. The rice was okay, but the curry goat, I wasn't feeling it at all. Like, no, it did not taste so lovely to me. Every time I come and I buy cooked food, I'm always buying curry goat. I need to stop. Should I get stewed chicken or something like that? Curry goat didn't taste good. I did not enjoy it at all. Just come waste people money. And then food didn't taste good. Yeah, so I'm here finishing box drinks. And I don't like this box drinks either. I like the juicy full one more. But they can't go on. Oh, so I'm gonna take a 5, sit down and relax. And then after my food digests, then go shower. And hopefully go somewhere, because I have to go somewhere else. So yeah. That's the move. Relax. Go bed, and find somewhere to go. Good morning guys. It is about 8 o'clock, 8:30. I woke up from like 6 o'clock, got ready, left up at Witchy. I know I'm around at Prospect, which is like the country. Up so early because we're going to town and we don't really know our way there, so we came to country so one of our family members can take us to town. So that's Kingston, so that's where we're going to go this early. My makeup doesn't look as good because I was doing it in the car because I was rushing. I didn't have time to do it at the house, and it's like, I mean, I guess it looks okay, but it would look so much better if I had like time like at the house instead of in the car, since the car was all moving and stuff. So yeah, that's the plan. We're about to leave to go to Kingston, and then when I'm there, I will video me being there. Although I'm not really going there to like leisure and have fun. We're going there for something, you know, personal or whatever to go do business-wise. So yeah. Drive? Yes, I can drive. I'm not gonna drive down here.
Oh, you
gonna make me drive out? You gonna make me drive? Yeah, I have my license, so I will drive out.
You see when she go drive on the road and run a river road? You gotta drive down this shit.
All right. All right, I'm about to drive in Jamaica. here still in halfway tree with my grandmother. She still didn't get through yet with what she was doing. Rascal, my wallet is all open. Like, damn. Supposed to my money drop out. Sure, I don't have it like that to be wasting. No. I am not about to go in the damn bank. So yeah, here at Alpha Tree. Just came from Digicel. Go send somebody some credit. So yeah, that's what I just did. Hopefully she gets through here so that we could go back up. I didn't really come to Tone to sport or go tour the place or whatever. So yeah, I did link with someone, like a friend who I've been talking to for like a good while now. For like about 3 years we've been talking like on the phone, and then we finally got the chance to like see each other in person. So yeah, I guess that was the highlight of my day. Oh yeah, I really don't know what to vlog. Like honestly, I'm vlogging. I don't even know if I'm gonna put these up on YouTube because it's not nice at all. So yeah, just here. People looking at me all weird on the damn camera. So yeah, no. Hopefully she soon get through because I'm ready to go and it's so hot outside. I just want to be in the car with the AC. So I got my KFC. I got a spicy zinger. My first time trying a zinger sandwich. Hopefully it tastes good. With my French fries. Yeah, so right now I'm in New Kingston eating KFC.
So what do you want to say about your friend?
It's still recording?
Yes, it's recorded.
Oh, okay.
So what you said to your vlog world?
Driving to Jamaica and I'm kind of nervous, but it's like going good.
So how you compare it on the other side of the road rather than in...
It's weird because of the indicators, because I keep pressing this one, but otherwise from that.
Good production.
You scared to drive on the bridge?
No.
You want to drive on a flat bridge?
No.
Why?
Because it's too scary. There ain't nothing like, what you call it?
Beach.
Okay. So he's taking the car from me now because we're going in a gutter. And supposedly I'm not going to be able to know how to drive it. So, yeah.
Gully.
I'm gully. So yeah. I think I did pretty good. Yeah.
I'll give you a couple more practice before I go on the river road.
No, I'm not going to drive on a river road.
Yeah, you did. Me, I can make you drive on the river road.
You're not going to see me back again.
Why?
Alright, I'm about to drink my orange box drinks.
Good production.